By leveraging and extending HP Multijet Fusion technology for printing 3D plastics, HP Metaljet can propel your business forward with the most advanced metals 3D printing technology for mass production. Get ready to take on new jobs and unlock new revenue streams. Inside the printer, the carriage features 6 print heads arranged across 2 print bars. Up to 4 different nozzles can print HP binding agent in the same 21-micron grid on the powder bed, providing 4 times nozzle redundancy. The printing process starts by spreading a layer of metal powder. Then, HP Metaljet binding agent is jetted at precise locations onto the powder bed to define the geometry of single or multiple parts. The energy source helps evaporate liquid components and cure the material. Once printing and depowdering processes are complete, a high-strength green part is removed from the build unit and sintered using an industry-standard sintering solution. The loose powder is recovered from the HP Metaljet powder removal station and transferred to the HP Metaljet powder management station, where it is automatically mixed, sieved, and loaded into another build unit for the next job. HP Metaljet breaks through the productivity, quality, and cost constraints of existing 3D printing technologies for metals. Compared to powder bed fusion, HP Metaljet produces more isotropic grain structure in the sintered part, resulting in more uniform material properties. Compared to metal injection molding, HP Metaljet technology eliminates the time-consuming debinding process, freeing up to 20 hours from your workflow. Now you can accelerate innovative designs and products and efficiently produce high-quality 3D metal parts at scale. Get ready to experience unlimited capabilities. HP Metaljet. Reinvent opportunities.